Good morning students. Today I am going to take the maths for the 8th standard and this is the 6th session for the 8th standard in mathematics. Okay students, in the previous class we have learned about the divisibility test. Okay, and also in the divisibility test we came across the divisibility of by 4, divisibility by 3 and 9. In this class we are going to learn about the divisibility by 5. Okay, 5 and 10. The number which ends with the numbers 0 and 5, they are called what? They are divisible of 5 and 10 also. Sorry, they are the divisible of 5. Okay, and the number which ends with the 0, that is the divisible of 10. Example, 45. Okay, it is the divisible of 5 and also 30. When you have taken 30, it is the divisible of 5 and also it is the divisible by the 10 also. Okay, 6 6 is 30 and 3 10 is also 30. The number which ends with the 0 is called, it is the divisible by the 10, and also the number which ends with the 5 and 0. Okay, it is the divisible of 5. Okay, statement 3, take it now. An integer a is divisible by 5 if only a is ends with only a is ended with 5 or 0. Okay, a integer is a is divisible by 5 if only a number is ends with the 5 or 0, and if a number is divisible by 10, if a is ends with example 45, 30. Ends with 5 and 0 are divisible by 5. Next, 10, 10 and 10,000 are ends with 0. Are divisible by 10. Okay. Next is divisible by 11. This one divisible 5, 10 and also the 4, 3, 9. These are the numbers we have learned in the previous classes itself. This previous year itself. But in this year we got the new divisibility by 11. Divisibility by 11. Divisible by 11. Okay, statement 5. Give a number given a number n is a decimal form but put alternatively plus and minus sign between the digits and compute the sum. The number is divisible by between. Thus, a number is divisible by 11. Okay. Next is palindrome. Palindrome. What is palindrome? Palindrome. A palindrome is a number which reads the same from the left to the right and also from the right to the left. Example, we can take is 101. Okay, from the right side also if we write the same number we will get. If we write it from the left side also we will get the same number. 101 also 101. Okay, 232, 4, 323, 616. Okay, 161. Okay, if we written from the left or the right, we get the same number. That number is called what? Palindrome. Okay, this is divisible by 11. I will write the statement on the statement below. Okay, children, what are the things I will write on the board? Everything you should copy in your notes. Divisible by 11. I write below. In that statement 5. Given a number n is decimal form, n put alternatively minus and plus sign between the digits and compute the sum. Okay, we have to take the number. For the given number, we have to add the symbols, that is plus and minus symbols alternatively. After getting the number, from that number we should know that it is divisible by 11 or not. Compute the sum. The number is divisible between. Okay, it should be divisible by those numbers. Thus, a number is divisible by 11. Okay, next I said you that is palindrome. Palindrome. A palindrome is a number which reads the same from left to right and right to left. Okay students, example 161, 232, 464. Okay, this is palindrome. When we read the number from the right to left, we get the same, and also from the left to right, we get the same number. Okay children, this is about the divisibility text. Now we go for the exercise 1.4. Okay students, let's start the exercise 1.4. What they have given is, without actual division using divisibility rules, classify the following numbers are divisible by 3, 4 or 3, 4, 5 or 11. Okay, the number which is divisible by 4 is also divisible by 2. Okay, they have not given the number 2 there. And also the number which is divisible by the 3 is also divisible by the 9. So they have not given about the 9 here. They have given only the 3, 4, 5 and 11. Okay, the number with exercise 1.4. So I won't write any heading here. Directly I will go for the question. Okay, they have given the without doing the actual division, you have to find the given numbers are divisible of 3, 4 or 5 or 11. What are the numbers they have given here is 803, 875, 474, 583 and 1064, 305, 657, 684, 2187, 4334 and number 1904. And also last number is 8548. We had to check all according to the rules. We had to check all the numbers. Is it divisible by the 3, 4, 5 or 11? Okay, first number is A. Take it as a 803. So first 803 equals to, first we have to check it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, how we have to check it is divisible by 3? If we add the number, okay, if we add the sum of a given number, we should get it should be the multiple of 3. If it is not, means it is not a divisible of 3. So 8 plus 0 plus 3. What we got the answer? 8 plus 0 is 8 itself. 8 plus 3 is 11. Is it divisible in the 3? No. It is not divisible by, not divisible by 3. And next they have asked the 4. If the number which the last number which ends with the even number. Okay. 803. Okay, if we consider the last number 03. It is not divisible by 4 also. Not divisible by 4. Okay. And next number what they have given? 5. Okay, if the number is ending with the 5, 3 is not divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 also. Next, 803. Then you have taken 11. Okay. 8 minus 0 plus 3. We will get the plus 8. 8 minus 0 is 8 itself. Plus 3, 11. Okay, is divisible by 11. Okay, it is divisible by 11. Okay, completed A1. Next, go for the B1. What the husband is 875. Check it, students. 875. So first, is it divisible by 3 or not? We have to check. 875 equals to 8 plus 7 plus 5. Okay, 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 8 is how much? 12 plus 8 is 20. Okay, 20 is the multiple of 3 anywhere? No, it is not divisible by. Okay, if we got 21 means it will divisible by 3. But we got 20 is not divisible by 3. Okay, 875. Okay, last 3 numbers 75. The number which ends with 5 is not divisible by 4 because 75 is the odd number, is not divisible by 4. Okay, next 875. Okay, 5 is divisible by 5 because it ends with the 5. No, the number which ends with the 5 it always divisible by the 5 itself. Is divisible by 5, and 875 equals to 8 minus 7 plus 5. Okay, 8 minus 7 we get as a 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, is not divisible by. The number which will be divisible by 11 is if we get all the numbers in palindrome, that is 161, 101, 121. Okay, all these palindrome numbers are divisible by 11, but 6 we got it is not divisible by the 11. Okay, got it, students? Next, they have given C and D. Okay, 3-digit numbers they have given. So I won't do that problem. So you have to do that problem C. C question is what? C1 is 875. Sorry, 875, no? 474. Okay, this is for homework. And B1 is 583. This is also is homework. And E1 is 350 and F1 is 657 and 684. Okay. Okay, these 5 problems is homework that you should do and you have to send me in WhatsApp. Okay, these 5 numbers you should do. Okay, because all they have given is a 3-digit number, very easily you can do it. I have shown you 2 examples. Okay, 2 problems I have shown you. So we will go for the next number which has given in the 4-digit number. EFG H1 now, that is 1067. Okay, students, we'll do now. Okay, first you have to add all those numbers to see that it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, students, 1067. So we have to add it to know that it is divisible by 3 or not. 1 plus 0 plus 6 plus 7. What will get? 1 plus 0 is 1 itself. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay, 14 is a multiple of 3. No, it is not a multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by, is not, I'll write in the short form DIV. Okay, divisible by 3. Okay. Next, to see it is divisible by 4 or not. 1067. Okay, this last 2 numbers should be the even numbers, but we got the odd number is not divisible by 4 also. Okay, 1067. Okay, 7 we got the last number. So it is also not divisible by 5 because the number which should be which ends with the 5 and the 10. Sorry, 5 and the 0 is also divisible by the 5. But we got here 7. It is not divisible by 7. Sorry, it is not divisible by 5. Next, 1067. Okay, in this how we should do the subtraction and minus, 1 subtraction, 1 addition. Okay. 1 minus 0 plus 6 minus 7. Okay. 1 minus 0 is 1 itself. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 minus 7 is how much? 0. Is not divisible by 11. It is not divisible by 11. Got it, students? How we should do? Okay, first we have to take the addition and minus, again addition and minus. Okay, H and come to the I problem. 2187. 2187. Okay, if we add this one, 2 plus 1 plus 8 plus 7. Okay, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay, it is divisible by 3. Okay, 18 will get in the 3 ones are no, 3 6 is 18. So it is divisible by 3. Next, 1087, 87 is not divisible by 4. Okay, 2187. Okay, the number which ends with the 5 and 0 is again divisible by 5, but we got here 7, so it is not divisible by 5 also. Next, 2187. Okay, 2 minus 1 plus 8 minus 7. Okay, what we get? 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, we get the 9 here. 9 minus 7 is how much? 2. It is not divisible by 11. It is not divisible by 11. Okay, got it, students? How we have to find out without doing the actual division? We can find is it divisible by 3, 4, 5 or 11. Okay, students, got it? These 5 problems you should do. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can text me. Okay, students, thank you. And next you go for K problem. This one also is in the 4-digit number, so I am doing it for you now. What has done? 4334. Okay, this is the palindrome number which is divisible by 11, because if you write from the left to right or as right to left, you will get the same number. So it is a palindrome number which is divisible by the 11. By seeing only we can find out is it a palindrome or not. Is equals to 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. And 14 is not divisible by 3. Okay. Next, 4334. 34. Okay. This is the 34. 34 is a even number, but it is also a not divisible by 4. Okay, so in 4 ones I will get 34. No, we won't get it 34. So it is not 34 is not divisible by 4. Okay, 4334. 4. Okay, 4 is not divisible by 5 also, because divisible by 5 the last number should end with the 5 or else 0. Okay, 4334. Okay, 4 minus 3 plus 3 minus 4. We get the 0, but by seeing only we can identify it is divisible by, because it is a palindrome number. Okay, if you write from left to right and right to left, you will get the same number. So it is a palindrome number, so it is divisible by 11. Next, L1, 1904. So check it, is it divisible by 3 or not? 1 plus 9 plus 0 plus 4. Okay, 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 0 is 10 itself, 10 plus 4 is 14, is not divisible by 3 and 0 4. Okay, 4. We got the 0 4 as the answer. Is divisible by 4 because it ends with the 4. 4 is divisible by 4. Okay, 4. 4 is not divisible by 5. Okay, next, 19 also. Okay, 1 minus 9 plus 0 minus 9. Okay, 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 0 is how much? Minus 8 itself. Minus 8 and minus 4 will get it as a minus 12. So is not divisible by 8 minus 4 is 12. Minus 12 is not divisible by 11. Okay, got it, students? Problem. Okay, the last number 2548. Okay, you add students to see is it divisible by 3 or not. 8 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 8 is how much? 11 plus 8 is 19. It is not divisible by 3. Okay, 19 is not multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 3 also. Okay, when you come to the 48. 2548. 48 is divisible by 4. By 4. Okay, 8 it is not a 5 or 0, so it is not divisible by 8 is not divisible by 5. And lastly 548 equals to 8 minus 2 minus 5 plus 4 minus 8. What do you get here? Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4 is minus 3 plus 4 is 1. 1 minus 8 is how much? 7. Minus 7 is not divisible by 11. Got it, students? This completes your first Roman number. In the second class, we'll go for the second Roman number, students. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can call me. And these 5 questions is for the homework. Check it is the divisible by 3, 4, 5 or 11. Okay, got it, students? If you have any doubts regarding this, you can text me, students. And I will correct the notes in this Saturday. You have to give your notes in the school. Okay. After correction, you have to collect from the school itself. Okay, students. Thank you.